Lions and tigers. Who is truly the ruler of the carnivorous animal kingdom? Have you ever seen any land animal that can hunt and kill a whale alone? As the name suggests, carnivores are mostly predators that specialize in hunting other animals for survival. The common feature of these animals is usually having sharp teeth and a ferocious, cruel nature. To us humans, they are extremely dangerous and deadly. These predators are distributed across the globe, living in various harsh and dangerous environments. In today's video, I will introduce you to the 10 most powerful terrestrial carnivores still in existence. Let's learn more about these apex predators. Number 10. North American gray wolf. Did you know? In the animal kingdom, aside from humans, this wolf species has almost no natural predators. You might find it hard to believe why wolves, a species of the Canidae family, which are inferior in both size and ferocity to some large felids, have no natural predators. Actually, the main reason lies in the strict discipline of the wolf pack. The gray wolves living in North America are among the largest of all wolf subspecies, and also the most ferocious. Here, during peak times, the number of wolves in a pack can reach up to 35 individuals operating together. They are arguably one of the most formidable predatory groups in North America. Generally, the fighting ability of a lone wolf might not seem particularly outstanding, but one point should never be overlooked. Wolves are highly intelligent and cunning animals, fierce and aggressive by nature, and they are pack animals. Whether hunting or defending territory, they operate as a group. Furthermore, wolf packs have a very strict hierarchical system. When facing enemies or large prey, they don't just randomly attack. They coordinate within the pack, using tactics like surrounding or taking turns to fight to bring down the prey. It is precisely because of this unique pack hunting method that most wild animals harbor a sense of fear towards wolf packs. In North America, gray wolves, much like lions and tigers, belong to the group of top apex predators in the area. Number 9. Puma, cougar. The puma is the second largest cat species in the Americas. Their total body length can reach 2.4 meters, and their maximum weight is nearly 100 kilograms. Although this species is called puma, or mountain lion, its relationship with lions isn't close. Pumas belong to the subfamily Felinae, while lions belong to the subfamily Pantheraceae. Although both are in the Felidae family, belonging to different subfamilies makes them distinct types. Pumas, like tigers, are skilled ambush predators. Their bodies aren't huge, but they are incredibly agile and powerful. Pumas can hunt prey larger than themselves, and much of their diet consists of ungulates, like various deer species, bighorn sheep, and even elk or moose. Pumas can hunt and kill them alone. They are hypercarnivores. Nearly more than half of their diet is the flesh of other animals, a typical ferocious predator. Oh right, the reason for saying they are incredibly agile and powerful is mainly due to their extraordinary jumping ability. Pumas are very fast predators. They have long bodies and powerful legs. This species can leap vertically, reaching heights of over 5 meters. Horizontally, they can jump up to 12 meters in a single bound. This means for prey within 20 meters, a puma might only need 2 powerful leaps to reach it. Number 8. Spotted hyena. They are one of the most ruthless carnivores on the African continent. Across Africa, even the king lion sometimes has to be wary of the spotted hyena. The formidable aspect of spotted hyenas lies mainly in their brutal attack methods and their large clans. In Africa, their clans can number, at their largest, over 80 individuals operating together. Furthermore, their bite force and digestive capabilities are also terrifying. Their bite force reaches 450 kilograms. This is enough for them to easily crush the bones of some large animals. Additionally, they are inherently fierce predators. In Africa, hyena clans, even when encountering lion prides, are capable of confrontation. Although their individual strength is far less than a lion's, even a powerful lion finds it difficult to withstand being surrounded and attacked by a clan of hyenas. Actually, a lion's fighting ability far surpasses a hyena's. However, this predator's attack methods are particularly brutal. When attacking prey, hyenas often target the abdomen and anus. Because the abdomen of most animals is relatively vulnerable, and hyenas exploit this weakness in most animals to thrive in Africa. Animals attacked by hyenas often meet a gruesome end, because prey caught by hyenas is often left with nothing. They will devour everything, including skin and bones. Incredibly ruthless. Number 7. Leopard. The leopard is also a well-known spotted cat. Actually, the leopard isn't just a single species type. To be precise, there are 9 subspecies of leopard. Among them, the largest subspecies is the Persian leopard. This leopard can exceed 2.4 meters in length and weigh over 100 kilograms. It is the largest among the many leopard subspecies. The Persian leopard is found in northwestern Iran, with its range also extending into parts of Pakistan. However, the vast majority of leopards are distributed throughout Africa and parts of Asia. This species has highly developed senses, agile movements, and a very fierce temperament. Their canines are large and sharp, which helps them capture and tear apart prey more quickly. However, this isn't their most striking feature. The leopard's main advantage lies in its agility, speed, and incredible strength. Its strength is astonishing. Leopards have been observed dragging prey 1.5 times their own body weight up into trees. This means they could potentially grab a healthy adult man in their jaws and climb a tree. This point alone is enough to demonstrate just how formidable the leopard's strength is. Oh right, additionally, besides their strong fighting ability, leopards are also masters of camouflage. In the wild, if a leopard is lying in ambush in the bushes without careful observation, it's very difficult to spot them. Furthermore, their jumping ability is also very powerful, leaping 6 meters high vertically and up to 12 meters horizontally. Number 6, North American black bear. This species is widely distributed and numerous. Their population is nearly double the combined total of all other bear species. North American black bears are primarily found in North America. They are the 5th largest extant terrestrial carnivore. It's ranked 6th here because this species is not a hypercarnivore. The North American black bear can reach a body length of 2.2 meters and weigh over 250 kilograms. Their most potent weapons are their paws and teeth. Although not strictly hypercarnivores, their bite force reaches 400 kilograms. They can easily use their mouths. Number 5, jaguar. The jaguar is undoubtedly considered one of the top contenders in the cat family. This species possesses the strongest bite force among all cats. Their bite can exert over 550 kilograms of force. This is enough to crush the skulls of some animals. Not only that, but they can also dive into water to catch caimans and drag them ashore. Sometimes they even hunt the giant anaconda snakes in the Amazon. A cat with such audacity and capability is almost unique to the jaguar within the Felidae family. Did you know? Apart from size, where they don't have an advantage over lions and tigers, in other aspects, jaguars are truly not inferior to lions and tigers. The jaguar is a very successfully evolved animal. Its body length can reach 1.8 meters, weighing up to 150 kilograms. This species is powerfully built, muscular all over, with sturdy limbs. Although its coat pattern resembles a leopard's, in reality, its size and habits are actually closer to those of a tiger. Therefore, they are sometimes called the American tiger. Jaguars typically inhabit dense tropical rainforests. Here, the adult jaguar is an apex predator. This means they are at the top of the local food chain. In the wild, aside from humans, almost no other animal poses a threat to them. All right, number 4, African lion. The African lion is the largest cat species on the African continent. Adult African lions weigh on average around 200 to 250 kilograms, and their total body length can exceed 3 meters. In Africa, the lion is an apex predator. Almost no other animal can threaten them. The only rival that might stress a lion is the spotted hyena. However, spotted hyenas usually only attack old, weak, or solitary lions, rarely confronting an entire pride head-on. Lions are hypercarnivores. Their ability to survive on the perilous African continent certainly requires significant capability. In recent years, when discussing lions, many people compare them to tigers. Most believe tigers are more formidable than lions. Actually, this answer isn't absolute. Physically, lions might not match tigers. In terms of both size and agility, data suggests tigers are indeed more powerful than lions. But one point should never be ignored, which is that lions live in prides while tigers are solitary. In Africa, the large prey that lions can kill as a group, a tiger might not be able to take down alone. Conversely, if the two were to actually meet in the wild, who do you think would have the upper hand? However, today we are primarily ranking based on individual combat prowess. All right, number 3, tiger. Many people are well aware the tiger is a predator that is extremely powerful and ferocious in the wild animal kingdom. But nowadays, there's a common phenomenon where many people's impression of tigers has shifted to seeing them as goofy, adorable creatures, even wanting to get close and pet them. This is actually very dangerous. When faced with the tiger's beautiful appearance, we should better understand its fearsomeness. It must be known that tigers, even today, are still man-eating predators. Wild tigers are truly very different from the tigers we see in zoos. Truly very different. They are extremely dangerous to us humans. Did you know? It's estimated that between 1800 and 2009 worldwide, the number of deaths caused by tigers reached 370,000 people. On average, about 1,700 people were killed by tigers each year. Among these, most man-eating incidents occurred in India and Southeast Asia. The purpose of mentioning these figures is mainly to highlight their terrifying nature. Did you know? The tiger's killing power is immense. The force from one of their paw swipes can exceed a ton. The force isn't the most terrifying part. What's most fearsome are the sharp claws on their paws. When they attack with their paws, the claws extend. The power of these claws is enough to disembowel us. Next is their mouth. A tiger's maximum bite force can reach 450 kilograms. One bite from them can tear through the flesh of most animals. Moreover, this giant is also a good swimmer, can climb trees, and runs exceptionally fast. If humans in the wilderness encounter this giant, the situation would be utterly desperate. Number 2, brown bear. Basically, has no natural predators. Very few other animals can threaten them either. There are many types of brown bears. Among them, the largest subspecies is the Kodiak bear. This bear is the largest of the brown bears. Their body length can reach 2.8 meters, and their standing height can exceed 3 meters. Their weight typically exceeds 500 kilograms. The largest known individual weighed up to 800 kilograms. Their size is frankly enormous. The brown bear's deadliest weapon is its paw. The front claws of a Kodiak bear, at their longest tip, can reach 15 centimeters. Their forelimbs are incredibly powerful. The force of a single swipe can exceed 1 ton. In other words, if they land a swipe on a tiger's weak spot, it's highly possible they could kill the tiger instantly. Besides the tremendous paw strength, their bite force also reaches over 400 kilograms just behind the tigers. In the wild, almost no animal can stand against them. Number 1, polar bear. Without a doubt, the polar bear is the largest extant terrestrial carnivore. Their shoulder height can reach 1.6 meters, body length up to 2.5 meters, and weight up to over 800 kilograms. Polar bears are very different from typical brown bears. Brown bears are omnivores, while the polar bear is the most powerful carnivorous predator. 98% of their diet consists of meat. In the Arctic region, their primary prey is seals. Occasionally, they also hunt large animals like walruses and beluga whales. In the Arctic region, they stand at the top of the food chain, the true rulers of the Arctic. Furthermore, polar bears are much more aggressive than typical brown bears. One should never take lions or tigers to compare with polar bears. A tiger might defeat a brown bear, but it absolutely cannot defeat a polar bear. Besides their enormous size, the polar bear's combat ability far exceeds most people's perception. Oh, right. The most important point is that polar bears are more dangerous than lions and tigers because they do not fear humans and are extremely aggressive. Once they spot our presence, they are very likely to attack us. Extremely ferocious.